How to enter map and island codes in Fortnite. So first, just open up your Fortnite, and once you're here on the menu, you just simply need to click on the search icon here at the top left of your screen. And once you're there, you just simply need to paste or input your island code right here at the search bar. Click on enter, and it should show you the island results like that. So this one is for the only of Fortnite. And let's say I want to use another one like this. Click on enter. And this one is old. I'll try a new one right here. So I'll try this island code, see if it works. Click on enter. And now as you can see, I now have this one, which is this game right here. But let's say I want to do this one. The first one that we have, which is the only up. And once we have that, click on enter. Click on the only up Fortnite right there on the side. So click this one right here and click on select. And it will automatically set your menu right here. You simply need to wait. And now it is set to only up Fortnite. And now you can just simply play the game just like that. And that's basically it.